What is up, YouTube? I am back with another video. What is up, YouTube? I am back with another video for you today. What is up, YouTube? It's Samadi and I'm back with another video for you today. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all already know what was in the title. Y'all know I had to do my head because, baby, the whole puff thing is good for about a few days, you know what I'm saying? But eventually it gets old. So with that being said, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so I forgot to film, not even gonna lie. I just remembered, but basically I've already parted just like a row and a half. I'm using my mirror, like I'm using two mirrors. So I'm using this full body mirror, this full body mirror or whatever, so to basically like help me see what I'm doing, see how I'm parting my twist and everything. Okay, so first I'm just going to part my hair, and then I'm gonna take my gel. You can use whatever gel you want of your choice to apply. I used a Super Look and some Got To Be glue, and then I just rubber band it. And I chose to twist my hair while I was also parting my hair. So, I mean, you don't have to. You can leave your hair free in those rubber bands if you want. But I chose to twist them to get them out of the way. So here I'm just moving the hair that was in the row and clipping it away so that it's out of the way while I part another piece of hair. And I'm just doing the same thing that I did before with the gel and the rubber band. This is just me showing you how far I had gotten and also how my parts are looking. For the front of my head, I obviously didn't need to use both mirrors, but I just continued to look into one mirror, obviously, because I could see the front of my head. But I used two mirrors mostly throughout the entire process. So I finally finished parting my hair, and now I'm just going to start adding in the braiding hair. So I grabbed the braiding hair. You'll only need one piece for each twist, and I'm moving the rest of my twist out of the way so that it doesn't get caught. I twisted the end of the braiding hair to make it easier to go into the crochet needle. After you see how I put the crochet needle into my hair and I pulled it through, make sure the ends are even. I put my styling gel on my hair before I obviously started twisting again with the braiding hair. Here I'm just showing how I'm going to end off this twist. I'm going to end it off with a braid, so I'm separating the hair into 3 so that I can braid it, and I just braid it down until I get it however long I want it. I put a rubber band at the end before taking a pair of scissors and slanting them a little bit and cutting the ends off. I took the rubber band off before braiding until the end. I'm just taking another piece of hair and doing the same exact thing, the same exact process that I did before, as you can see. I got 2 rows done and I ran out of hair. Well, not completely. I have to move on to the next pack. So I have, let me see, show you. Ow, okay. I have all of this and this left that I gotta do. And so yeah. Honestly, I might, I don't know if I should, stop right now and give myself something to eat, because I'm kind of hungry. I think I might just do that, but I'm trying, because I have other stuff to do today. Like, I have to go to practice, and, I gotta, clean up and everything, and I'm trying to finish my hair before all of that. way, or you have any tips in general for me doing this style, then let me know. Because even though I put it as like, even though I like kind of labeled it as a tutorial and everything, it's a tutorial on how I do it, what I'm used to doing, just in case, you know, you wanted to know the way that I do it, you know what I mean? But this is just me personally, you know what I mean? I'm not a pro, I'm not a licensed hairstylist at all. I just need my hair done. Like, honestly. I changed to go over here because the lighting is obviously way better, and I just felt like standing up while doing my hair at this point, and honestly it felt much better than sitting down doing my hair, so I definitely would recommend. Other hair, and it is way shorter than the rest of the hair, but I'm just gonna have to keep going. Might I add that the longer hair that I did use for most of my twist was way worse quality than the shorter hair, so I'll definitely leave the links in the description below for the hair that I used, because the shorter hair was definitely much better quality than the longer hair. I'll have to look at the packs that I got and see what the name of it was, but it was definitely much better, much softer. done. I'm done. Finally. Okay. So it is about like, I don't know, like 3 days later after I did my hair. And I didn't do my edges this morning. I didn't wash off my edges from yesterday either. But this is basically how it looked in the end. Ooh, baby. So yeah. It is pretty long. It's actually pretty long. Hold on, let me show you guys. So this is basically how long the hair turned out to be. Actually pretty long. It basically like stops like right below my butt or whatever. So yeah,